Yes, guys, can you hear me? Hello, guys, can you hear me? If I'm audible and you can see me, please let me know in the comments. Yes, guys, can you hear me or not? So we'll be starting our session today as soon as all the students are there or the some of the names that I remember from the previous classes are there are replying in the chat box. Then only I'm going to start the session. We will have a quick recap session now. Yep. Uh, Hello, guys. Please reply yes. I got your replies. Hey, Drishti, how are you? Abhita says hello. Yes, Abhita. So when all the students are present, then only I'm going to start the session. Yes. So let us wait. Let us wait for another 4 to 5 minutes. Then we are going to start. Okay. So guys, let me know if you're understanding the concept or not. Are you understanding the concept or not? Yep. Shweta says hi. Yes. Hello, Shweta. Hi, hi. The chat box is dry today, guys. Why you are not replying? Shreya says hi. Kaushik says thanks for the note. Okay. Yep. So hello guys. Hello. Just wait a minute, guys. We'll be starting in a minute. In just another minute. Okay. Just setting up the system. Yes. Yes, okay. So no problem. We will start the session. No problem. We will start the session now. Okay. Otherwise, it's going to be late. I'm not going to wait more for the students to join. So, guys, we'll have a recap session. But I want you to hi. Yes, Kaushik. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome, Kaushik. I want you to reply whether you are getting the concept or not. Please type yes or no. Whether you are getting the concept or not. The concepts are clear or not. Are you getting the information whether you are learning or not? Please type yes or no in the chat box. Yes, okay, share said yes. Cool. Yes, sir. Okay, cool. So let us we'll start, right? Okay. Just another minute. I was in another meeting. So, okay. So see here, guys. Today we'll be completing completing the HTML part. Today the HTML portion would be completed. Then half of the CSS also we'll be trying to complete. From tomorrow, 2 days we'll learn about JavaScript, and the third day will be completely dedicated to the project. Okay. Tomorrow, yesterday the notes were shared. Please let me know in the comments that you got the notes and the codes also. Yeah. Yes, guys. Now I'm completely like dedicated to this thing here. Yeah. Okay. So yes, we'll continue now, guys. Here, see. So there are certain things that you should know in HTML. I think in the first class only some concepts were taught. I'm not confident whether they were taught or not, so I'm going to continue with those. Right. Please let me know if the list tag has been done or not. The unordered list, ordered list, OL tag, UL tag, and the LI tag. Are these tags done? Do you guys know about these tags? Because today we are going to work with these tags, right? Please let me know in the comment chat box that these things are done. Please let me know, guys. Otherwise, if these are not done, I will explain it to you and then we will start the coding. If these are done, then we will complete the HTML part now. Right? We can complete the HTML part. I think the code was shared with you already. You guys have the code. Just if you have any doubt in the code also you can ask me. Otherwise, we have to continue from there. Okay? Guys, please say yes or no. Please just it takes 1 second, right, to type a yes and type a no for anything. So please let me know in the chat whether you have the code or not till what I have sent. Okay? Today we are going to design the footer. First of all, we are going to layout. First, we are going to understand the layout of the footer, and then we are going to style it. Will that be okay? And then the next two classes will be of JavaScript, where we'll be working with manipulating those things. Okay. So if you are not replying here, there are no replies from anyone. I'm going to share the screen. Okay. The screen is being shared with you. We'll be writing in already this part. I think till here you guys have already written. So after this part, you are going to write HR. HR is horizontal ruler. Okay, you guys know what HR is. HR and BR tags don't need to be closed. There is no need to close them. Now we are creating a class that is footer class here. Okay, it will be closed, but not now. We are using a P tag. P tag should be closed. Yes, here we are writing questions call. You can write your number. Okay, yeah, that's not my number basically, but yes, you can write any number here. Okay, yep. So if we guys like you guys don't have any doubt, therefore I am continuing with the HTML code here. Then one more division class equal to we are giving here footer column. Okay. Then in this division class we are creating UL. Guys, now please let me know what is UL and what is OL. Do you guys know about what UL is and what OL is? Sorry. Guys, can you tell me what UL is and what OL is? What do you understand by UL? Ordered list and unordered list. So you guys know the concept? Great, great. Anyone is there who does not know the concept of list, that is OL and UL, ordered list and unordered list? Anyone? If anyone wants me to explain it, please let me know. And please let me know if you are able to see me, or it's just my screen, or is it just my screen? Are you able to see me or is it just my screen? Okay, so you are not able to see me. Okay, no problem. You can see the screen, right? Explain it. Okay, Prakash, explain it. Okay, done, Prakash. So Prakash, there are two types of lists, that is ordered list and unordered list. Okay, so if you want me to show it, I will show you in the Replit tab. Okay, just wait a second. Let me open Replit and let me show you. Okay, why Replit? I will just show you here only. See, UL is the tag that we are writing for unordered list, and OL is the tag we are writing for ordered list. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of unordered list and what is the meaning of ordered list? I will explain. Okay, just a second. Yep. See, as you can see, OL and UL, there are two different tags. OL is for ordered and UL is for unordered. It is basically the markings actually. So it's like one when you are giving a list, sorry. So when you are giving a list, it can list it as like one the item name, two item name, three item name, four item name, or bullets can be shown, or any mark can be shown. In unordered list, whatever you are, like the decoration can be controlled by you, but in ordered list it can be numbers, it can be Roman alphabets, it can be anything. Okay, so that is the difference. Now you got the idea. You get the idea, right? Now what are we trying to do here is we are trying to create this list here, and the reference here we are giving the hashtag. Okay. Yep. Now what you have to do is you have to, here already FAQ is written. This is the footer part that we are creating. So it's investor relations and then privacy. What else is there? You can add anything. I want a speed test. Okay. Closing of the UL tag. One more UL tag I am creating. Okay. Same. Or here you can write health center. What else is there? Jobs or career you can type, right? What else is the notices? And then cookie preferences. Then closing the OUL tag. One more UL tag we'll be creating. Here, same thing. Paste it. Yep. Then after FAQ, we are going to write account and ways to watch information. These are the things, like these are whatever you can add anything. Okay. This is, we are just designing Netflix originals. Okay. And then at last UL, and then there are three. Here it will be like media center, not the center tag, sorry. It's media center. Don't tell me it's CENTER. British English and American English, it's a different thing. So you can just write CENTRE or CENTER, okay? Doesn't create much of a difference. And it's contact us. Done. Please let me know if you have written till here. Please let me know if you have written till here. There is another just 5 to 6 lines of code that is remaining to complete HTML. Oh, now we'll be completing HTML. HTML, we have understood what HTML is, how we are typing HTML, how we are writing HTML. Okay. Yes, please tell me that you have written till here. You have got the gist of the project till here. Okay, we'll just complete it, then we can continue, right? Yep. So after UL division is closed, now one division tag we have to use division class equal to last. Okay, it's div, not di. Let us not go there. It's last hash a href equal to hashtag, right? I tag, yes. So this tag was left, right? Guys, who is going to tell me why I tag is used? And what is FA? I have used FA here, right? What is I tag and what is FA? Done? Yep. After that, at last, we are going to type inside p tag that is Netflix India. Division is closed. Footer is closed. Right after footer, we'll be giving the script and we'll be linking the script to JS. Okay, script source is Netflix clone dot js, right? Yes, closing the script tag, done. We'll be closing the body tag, body tag closed, done. So this is our HTML part completely now. FA is font awesome, great, font awesome. So we are using font awesome to get our fonts, right? FA is font awesome. So what is I tag? No one has answered what is I tag, guys. What is I tag in HTML? It is just, yeah, okay. It defines text. Great. It defines text. It's just the manner is different. Defining the manner of defining the text is a little bit different from this. Now, yes, the screen is being shared already. What I want you to do is I want you to write the code. If you have written the code, that is well and good. If you have not written the code, please write the code. Okay. Yes, and if you have any doubts in HTML, please feel free to ask me with doubts, shoot me with doubts. Okay? Yep. Any doubts or anything, please let me know. And if you have written also, please let me know. Sorry, I have to share my screen, right? If you have written the text also, please let me know. Otherwise, I won't know, right? Whether you have completed this part or not, whether you have written this part or not. Okay. After this part is done, we will be going to the CSS part. Okay. Please, a yes or a no will be entertained. Just a yes or a no. Okay. And I will be back just in a minute. I will just go and have I will just drink some water and then I will come. Okay. Yep. Please write the text and please let me know in the chat box, guys. Shreya, I want you to reply whether you have written the part or not, please. And if you have any doubts. Yes, so you have written. Do you have any doubts, Shreya? If you don't have any doubts, please let me know that also. No. Okay, great. So I suppose everyone has done that now. I will. My screen is there for another 2 minutes. I will be just going and drinking some water and then coming back. Then we'll be proceeding with the CSS part also. Today we will. The HTML part is completed, guys. We have written the whole code for HTML. Okay. Now the CSS part actually is left. So if you see here, yeah. Okay. Yes, I will just come back. Yep, one more thing. These things. The images also will be shared with you. Okay, don't worry about it. The images for the project are there that also will be shared with you. I will be just back in a minute. I will just drink some water and come. Okay. Oh yes, guys. So I'm back. Yes. Now should we start with CSS? Is everyone has done the HTML part, right? Should we start with CSS? Please let me know. Yes or no is entertained a lot. Yes or no would be appreciated a lot. Yes, yes. Okay. Then we'll start with the CSS part. Okay, here. So I think I have shared my screen already, right? Yes, the screen is already shared. Yes or no? Okay, you can see the VSS code. Yes or no? Just one more yes, please. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Shreya. Shreya helps me a lot every day. Done. So we'll be starting with this part also now. That is the VSS code thing here. Today we'll be writing enjoy. I think I have given till enjoy a little bit more, right? So, yep, till whatever I have given after that. See, I don't remember all the things, but whatever I remember, I am writing that part. So, padding goes, padding are like 40 pixels, 30 pixels, 60 pixels, and 20 pixels. These depends on you guys. You can give whatever padding you want. What is required from you is you just have to check again and again how much thing it is taking and how much thing it is not taking. Okay. Yep. Now, please, you have to bear with me because, like, I have one more commitment. So I'll try to manage both the things together. But don't worry if you guys are facing any issues or anything. Please let me know. So the download has been styled now. After this, we had mobile. In mobile, the position only we have to give, that is relative. After that, we have mobile image. So a link was shared with all of you today, right? That was the drive link. Please check that drive link only. Images would be shared in that drive link. Images of what? The images that you have to put in your website. You can select your images also. Position is not relative, is absolute. Now there are absolute position and relative position. Relative is with the respect. Absolute is it will be as that only. Okay. So that is the difference. That is 300 pixels. Right. Then we have the left, that is 130 pixels. Just a second, let me check one thing. Okay, cool. Yeah. If you are facing any doubts or anything, please let me know in the chat box. Otherwise, please continue typing with me. You should have your speed. By this time, you should attain your speed of typing actually. Right? Okay, this, yep. Now it will come maybe. Padding 10 pixels. Display grid, grid template columns. They are one FR, three FR, and one FR. Right, border 3 pixels. Solid color was black. Black code is hashtag 222. Okay, border radius 14 pixels. Width width is 350 pixels. Height 100 pixels. Background, not color, it's just background. Background complete black. Yes. Done. Any doubts still here? Any doubts still now? Please let me know. Any doubts till now? Okay, so there is one doubt here. Yes, FR stands for. Okay, great, great. So there is a question here. FR stands for. FR is fraction. Okay, FR is fraction. So that's one fraction, two fraction, three fraction. Okay. Now, you know about fractions, right? If you don't understand the layout fractions or anything, please let me know that also. I will explain that also what fractions actually is. Okay. explain. Okay, cool. So FR, like so it's a grid layout. Now there are many layouts that we are using, right? Um, okay, I will explain with the help of the one image. Okay, just a second. Paint would work. Will the paint work? Paint should work, right? Where is paint? Okay, here it is. Let me share my screen now. Guys, you can see my screen here, right? Paint. Okay, is it going like black and white for you too? Is it going like black and white also for you? For me, it's going black and white. Yes, okay, then I will close it. Don't save, brother. Okay. So wait, I will explain it to you in a fashion. You guys can see me, right? Tell me you guys can see me. Yes. Yeah, please let me know if you can see me, right? Because I'm explaining. Yes, okay, cool. So this is the window that I have created, or this is a box that I have created. Now there are many types of layout that we are having. One layout is grid layout. Another one was flex box layout also is present. Now if I'm giving a 2 EM, okay, so it is a part. So if I'm giving 2 EM or 1 EM, if I'm giving 2 EM, one fraction will be created here, one fraction will be created here. Amount of space left will be 2. If I'm giving 2 EM and 2 EM two times, so 1, 2, 3 fractions would be created. Space between these three fractions would be 2 EM. So this is one fraction, two fraction, three fractions. These are fractions are created in the window. You understood it? So Satish says no. Satish says no. Okay, Satish, no problem. See, Satish, fractions are like when I'm dividing the window, this is my box that I have created or the grid layout. This is one grid, one column that I have created. In that column, I am giving 3 FR. 3 FR means three fractions. So 1, 2, and 3. These content like boxes would be created. Three fractions of boxes would be created. Okay. If you want to give the space in between them, you have to write EM. That is the spacing part. Okay. You have to give it like that. Is it understandable now? I'll be sharing my screen now with you guys, the VSS code part. So we'll continue with that now. Okay, I'll be writing the code. Okay, yep. And guys, just wait a second. I'm writing the code, but my mic is off for a minute. Okay, I will be back, but I'm writing the code. I'm there with you. Just, yeah. Yes, guys, I am typing with you. Like I'm just typing here. So please write with me or type with me. I will be explaining also the code, but like my mic would be off. So once I have written, I will be typing. I will be unmuting myself. Okay. Yes, guys. So see here. So we are styling a box now. So what box we are styling first? We are styled the image, then the H2 heading 2, then we are styling here the paragraph tag. Okay. So here in the paragraph tag, you are giving font size that in 14 pixels. Uh, Color, guys, you can give any color. Don't go with what I am going, but you have to see if the website looks good or not. Okay. You have to see whether the website looks good or not. So if you have done this, then we are having box.gif. These images and GIFs will be given to you. Don't worry about it. In the drive link by tomorrow, it will be shared with you. Okay? Yes. Any doubts till now? Because it's very simple. From past 2 days, we are working with these things only. Height, width, padding, margin. All these things are very simple. We are writing these things, right? We are typing these things. Then here it's download content. Then again here comes padding top, that is 60 pixels. That is done. Download content. Then it's download content h1. Download content h1. Again here it's font size. Font size is 47 pixels. Okay. Then again we have to write dot download content p. Please write with me. Okay, so I'm making rhymes also now. Nothing like that. Yeah. Okay. तू ही मेरी शब है. Okay, I don't sing very well, but yeah, it's like my hobby, not hobby, a habit. When I'm typing something, I try to sing. It just gives me a kind of relaxation. You guys can also sing, right? I would love to hear some of you sing. So display is grid, right? I want you guys to write till here. If you have written, please let me know. Otherwise, we will continue. Yes. Done, guys. Done. I can see your hands. Yeah. Done. Okay. So we'll continue now. If that part is done. So till stream, you guys have written. That is great. So if you see, we have already written around 210 lines of code, right? Yep. So it's like it doesn't feel that we are writing that much, but yeah, once you are habituated to it, I should say, then you will be feeling like it's nothing, right? So then the stream content, padding, top, it's 80 pixels. You can give 90 also. You just have to check whether it's going with the site or not. Okay. Oh, so it's font size. So font size is 47, 48 pixels, 47 pixels. Okay. Yep. Then dot stream content, the paragraph tag we have to give. So padding top 30 pixels of font size 47 pixels and font weight 500, right? Yep. Guys, okay, I wanted to ask you something. Guys, which tab is shared? Can you please let me know? Like what is shared? What are you able to see? Please let me know, guys. What are you seeing right now? Is it the Visual Studio Code? VS, right? Okay, VS Code. Thank you, Shreya. Thank you, Meghna. Yeah. And I wanted to ask you one more thing. Yep. Okay, Sarita. Thank you so much. Yep. Now I want to ask you one more thing. Uh, then like, are you guys from college or are you guys from school? Like, are you studying in college right now or schools right now? And if you're college, which college are you studying in? Which college are you studying in? Please type in the chat box. Which college? Okay. Okay, so it's engineering college. Great. Thank you, Shreya. Shreya, does your engineering college have a name or is just engineering college? Okay, so I can see KIIT, IIT, Herald, IITM, Indus Institute of Technology and Management, CBIT. Great, great. Guys, now tell me one thing. So, if we try to bring boot camps to your college, like offline boot camps, okay, where you are not learning these things just with a teacher teaching you online, would you be willing to join it? Like, will you join them? Would you try to join them or are you willing to join them? So what we are trying to plan is we are trying to plan offline boot camps, also offline sessions also for the students. Please let us know, will you try to join them or not? Maybe. Shreya says maybe. Shreya, why maybe? Why there is a maybe? Please feel free to uh, tell us your issues and queries so that we are working towards the betterment, right? So please tell me why there is a maybe. If we bring the offline session to your school or to your college, are you willing to join? Some says yes, some says maybe. Why there is a maybe? If interested, join. What makes things interesting, Shreya, unless you haven't joined it? Okay. See, you didn't knew whether this boot camp is going to be interesting or not, right? But once you join it, you found, okay, the sir is good. I'm not bragging about myself, but okay, you thought, okay, the sir is good. He's teaching, okay. So the session is interesting, right? So how you will find that, okay, so it is going to be interesting, we should join. So if I come to your college or your school, will you join, Shreya? Will you join then? If you see me that I am the instructor for the course, will you join then? Yes. Sarita also says yes. Okay. So, okay, guys, we will be trying to bring these offline sessions, offline boot camps to all of you. Yeah, please. And we expect a lot of participation from you guys. Is that okay? We expect a lot of participation from you guys. Done. So let us continue with our VS Code thing. Okay, Shruti says rather than offline, online is far better, I think, for coding. Shruti, how do you think online is better? Here on, oh, sorry, on, not on. Here on online, I am the only one that is speaking. There are no students that are speaking. I'm not able to interact with the students. Shreya is asking doubts while typing. If I am there present with them, I can see what they are doing, how they are doing. Okay, I can do certain activities that I'm not able to do right now. I can give them different challenges and see their output, because if I just give a challenge right now, you can just type yes that you have done it and you are able to achieve it, but I wouldn't know, right, whether you are able to do it or not properly or completely, whether you are just typing for the sake of typing. So there are different things, right? Yeah, I agree with you. Yes, you have to agree with me, Shreya, Shruti. Okay, so yep, we will continue with this CSS part. Just a minute. Yes, guys, so let us start now. Where were we? Stream content, then that's dot Mac. Okay. Now here also we have written Mac means we have given already, we have given the class already. Position don't inherit, it's relative, right? Yep. Then dot. Now you may ask what is Mac for? So Mac is for a video that we have uploaded or we are going to upload in our project. The Z index, then dot TV2 position again, it's absolute position is absolute. Oh, okay. Then it's like the top is 40 pixels and the left one is 120 pixels. and Z index is -1, right? Yep. Done, guys? Done? If you have written till here, please let me know. Please let me know if you have written till here. Yes, is it done? Yes, guys, please let me know if it's done, okay? I want a yes or no. Done, done. Okay, so all of you say it's done here. Yep. You guys can see me also now, right? Done. Shivaram Prakash is done. Cool. So now we have certain things also now. Okay. So yeah. Now guys, did you try the CSS Froggy thing? I sent you CSS Froggy, right? Did you try it? Please let me know. Did you try the CSS Froggy thing or not? No. I shared it with you yesterday, right? I have given the link to you yesterday, I think. Shreya, the link I have shared with you for CSS Froggy. See what happens if you're just going to try CSS Froggy. Um, it's like you will get to know about the CSS Flexbox properties in a better fashion. That's it, nothing else. Okay. So if you want to know about that CSS Flexbox, then you can just go ahead and try that. Why? Okay, so there was a no for. Okay, yeah. So we'll continue now. Yes, guys, sorry for the delay. Yeah, we'll start now. So after this TV to video, right? So we are typing display and then inline block, block, block is a nice word. Then goes vertical align property and its baseline. Okay, then it's max width. Max width is 82% and max height is 54%. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the chat box. Please like the stream. Please, I'm asking you every day. That's not a thing to ask. That is very much required for us. Okay. Please just like the stream, share it with your friends. Tell them nice sir or nice bhaiya is teaching us. Okay. Yeah. So you can just tell them. Text your friends that a good gentleman is teaching. Okay, that is a lot. So yeah, we can come back. These things are just try. I'm just trying to make you laugh. Okay, don't think don't think it any other way. Yeah. So margin bottom 50 pixels. Okay. Then it's dot frequency dot question questions button. Now many properties go here. It's like width 100% and then text alignment, it's left, padding 16, 16 pixels, 44 pixels, 16 pixels, and then 24 pixels. Okay. Yes, guys, as I'll be just back in a minute. Please excuse me. Again, Shri Vidya and yep, Tabasam. Yep. If sorry if I pronounced that wrong. But the attendance link would be shared at 10. Okay, so at exact 10, I will be sharing the attendance link. Just a second now. Yep, guys, can you hear me now? Yep, I think you can hear me. So the attendance link we shared, I was talking about the attendance link. Attendance link would be shared with you when it's 10. Okay, don't worry about it. Again, the thing here is please join to study, right? Again, yep. One more thing, one more thing. Yep. The code will be also given to you. Are we entertaining any doubts? Do we have any doubts here? Please let me know in the comments and chat box if we have any doubts here. Okay. Do we have any doubts? Yes or no? Okay, okay, sorry, I'm back. No, no doubts. Okay, cool. So guys, that's it for today. I think the CSS part is here. The code would be shared with you. Again, tomorrow what we are going to do, the images also will be shared. So these are the images. See, this is a box image. Here I styled the box, right? This is the box image. This is box short box actually. This is a download GIF. If you can see here, this is a GIF. Okay. Yep. Again, this is kids.jpg. This is logo, the mobile. Okay. So all these things are already present with me. I'll be sharing it with you guys. Don't worry about it. Okay. But yeah, I have a doubt. Can we use both class and ID at the same time? Now that is an interesting doubt here, guys. So if we are using no, first of all, we cannot use two IDs at the same time. Okay, we saw that we cannot use two IDs at the same time. 29 line in HTML code. What is the 29 line is in the HTML code? First, let me clear your doubt, and then we will come to this. Okay. Yep. So the thing here is that we cannot use two IDs at the same time, but we can use two classes at the same time. We can use two classes. Can we use both class and ID? Yes, we can use. But ID must be unique within your HTML file. Okay. ID must be unique. Please remember that. ID and class can be used and in one division also. Okay. In one division only you can use. Now you are talking about this HTML part here. 29th line here. So what is the 29th line? Yep. Class is final, closed and ID is final. You can use. There is no issue. Okay. Yep. So a nice doubt from my friend Maurya Satish. Yes, Satish, we can use. Okay. Yep. Any other doubts? Any other doubts? Please, guys, you have to ask doubts. Any other doubts? Yes, guys. Please let me know if we are having any doubts. Shreya, any doubts? Shreya, do we, sir? How to select? Sir, do DAO to select from both ID and class. What should we use? Okay, it's how to, I'm supposing it's how to select. Okay, so yep. ID. How we are selecting the ID? When if you're talking about the CSS part, you have to use the hashtag symbol. Okay, you have to use the hashtag symbol here. Let me just go to the CSS part here. If you see the CSS part here, we are using, yeah, here. Both two classes are used, right? And just a second. Yes. Again, sorry for the delay. Actually, there are a lot of disturbances today, and of course, Navratris are going on. So if you see here, there are two classes, right? Dot kids and dot container, right? Uh, when we are talking about IDs here, can you see here? One, two, three, four, right? So IDs basically are accessed by hashtags. If you are accessing any ID, then we are using hashtags. Hashtags are used to select. Now, there was a final keyword right here, final. That is a class is final. So dot final you can use if you want to use any other thing. So dot final form here is used. Now, what is final form? Here you can see final closed. So dot basically is used, and then hashtag is also used. Okay, is that okay? Or who asked the question? Satish asked the question, right? So it can be different also. ID and class selector, if you see here, I think I can write in the chat box, right? So if I can write in the chat box, just have a look. Just give me one moment, I will be there. Yes, I'm back. So if I can type in the chat box, I will show you ID and class selector. If I'm giving ID equal to hello and class equal to hi. So the one way ID hello and class hi. So the one way that I can use is hashtag hello dot hi. Can you see? Hashtag hello dot hi. So this is one way. Yes. So this is one way where I can select multiple classes and multiple IDs. Okay. Now, if you want to another way is you have to give space also. Hashtag hello and space between dot hi. So space, it will be considered as a different thing. Did I clear your doubt, Satish? Did I clear your doubt, Satish? Now I am giving you the link for the attendance today. The attendance link will be there. Yes, Bhaiya. Thank you so much, Satish. The attendance link is there in the chat box. Please let me know if you're able to access it or not. If you're not able to access it, oh, I will change the things. Okay. Yep, otherwise we'll continue. Please let me know if you're able to access it or not. Guys, are you able to access it? Access it? Yes or no? Yes or no? So every time I'm giving you quotes for so today's quote is yep, yes. Okay, thank you, Meghna. Now, have you seen the movie Chandni Chowk to China? In that one quote is there, and that is one important quote, right? Yes, yes. So there's a quote that I don't fear the person who has practiced 10,000 kicks one time, but I fear the person who has practiced one kick 10,000 times. Okay, so now it means that a person who has practiced only one thing 10,000 times is far more capable, far more skillful than the person who has practiced 10,000 things just one time. Now, coming on to coding, applying this code to coding and programming things. Yes, you have to have 10,000 skills. You have to have the knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, AngularJS, React.js, Node.js, full stack development, um, then Python, Java, Ruby, Golang, all these things you should know. But the thing here is that first you have to practice each and everything 10,000 times, then only you will be successful. Okay, first practice any of the things, then only go to any other thing, right? So I am entertaining doubts for another 4 to 5 minutes. If you are having any doubts, please guys ask questions. Remember, this is for you. The boot camp is for you to learn, for you to be better, right? So if there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment. Otherwise, we'll be ending the stream. Like we'll be just because I have some work also today, right? Please let me know if you are having any doubts or anything. A yes or a no would be appreciated a lot. A simple yes and a simple no. Meghna. So Meghna says no bhaiya. Okay. From now onwards, the rule is uh, only my guy friends can call me bhaiya. Okay. No, nothing like that. Just a joke. Or chill, chill. Okay. Yep. Now it's cool. So, oh, so okay. My phone is ringing. I will be just back in a minute. I'm stupid. I just forgot to unmute myself. Okay. So I was talking. Yep, yep. Okay, got it. So I think I was telling that from the moment I wake up and till the moment I sleep, my work schedule is a little bit hectic. Um, yes, and the thing is that therefore I end your session just a 5 to 10 minutes early. There's if you but if I try to extend it, if you are having any doubts or anything, please let me know. I'm there. I will be solving your doubts. Till 10:30 I am online, like the system is here only. Oh, and if I can tell you, I haven't even had my lunch. I'm not talking about my dinner. I haven't had my lunch, haven't had my lunch till now. So it's so rigorous and it's so hectic. But yeah, that is hustle that we all guys are doing, right? Yeah. So it's someone asking why bhaiya. Okay, so I have a college to attend. I have assignments. Then I'm a part of Code Sprint. I'm taking classes here. I am part of another thing. I am taking classes there as well. I am part of another thing. I have to work there as well as a Java developer. Yes. So that's the thing. Yes. So if you are not having any doubts, let's say bye bye to all of you. It's a great Tuesday, uh, terrific Tuesday, as they say, right? Other than means love. Okay. There is no, no. See, once I wake up, I go to college. Coming back to college, I have classes. I'm taking classes. I'm teaching Python and artificial intelligence also. Then I'm working as a part-time as junior Java developer. Then from EPAM, we are having one course. 50 students are selected. EPAM is a company. From there, I'm selected. I'm having one course there. Learning. I'm learning a new technology that is automation testing. Then I'm coming here to teach you guys. Okay, I don't have. I have my mom to love me, and I have my father to love me, and sister also to love me, grandparents as well. So all these are there to love me. But other than those kind of love, I don't have any other love. But Sandeep, I think you love me, right? And I like my students who love me. So you guys love me. You guys love my teaching. So that's oh okay. So company also. Do I have to tell? Listen, bhaiya, I love you, bhaiya, I love you too, bro. I am not in a position to disclose that. Okay. Okay. So Deepak Pandit says, "Can I get your number?" Uh, Not here, not here. I cannot disclose my number here. I have given you my mail ID, guys. You can contact me on mail. It's singpranay40 at the rate gmail.com. It's singpranay40 at the rate gmail.com. You can Deepak, just put a mail there. There I will give you my number. Don't worry about it. Okay, just drop a mail saying hi. Oh, so hi sir, this is Deepak from Code Sprint. Okay. Okay, bro. Okay, so Shweta, the bro is in capital, right? Yeah, I can see that. Great. No problem, no issues. Right? So, yep. So okay. We will just if there are no doubts, we will try to complete the session. We'll try to have our work. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Bye bye. See you. Love you all. We'll meet in the next session. Bye, guys. Namaste. Jai Shri Ram. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye bye. Shreya says bye, sir. Bye, 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 guys. Bye bye. Bye. Love you all. Bye bye. Today's session is good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Attendance link. Attendance link was already provided, Drishti. If you haven't got the attendance link, it is already there in the chat box. But copy link and paste it. I'm pasting it once again. Okay. Bye bye. Bye, Shweta. Yep. The attendance link is there. You guys can fill the attendance link. Bye. Taking your leave. Thank you so much. Bye bye.